Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to explore the water park on the Great Wolf Lodge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. And after that, scroll down to the Explore Our Water Park section, and here you can tap on the View All button to see all the possibilities. Here you can select from two options in the middle of the screen, indoor or outdoor. And as you scroll down, you can see the available water parks. You can also select from the dates at the top, so click on the relevant one that you are interested in so you can check out the description, the pictures attached, and also the opening hours, location, minimum height, and other information as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.